was always on fire, our house, our dreams. We were dancing on a wire, reckless it seemed. We found holes in these walls, we like what we saw. Seems so strong until it falls, the final straw. Oh, I never felt like this before. When I was trapped, you showed an open door. Living in a dark, clouded haze, we danced, we fought. We were bound to make mistakes, real love, we thought. But it was always on fire, our house, our dreams. We were dancing on wire, reckless it seemed. I never felt like this before. When I was trapped, you showed an open door. I had no reason to complain. I didn't have the words to explain. I never felt like this before. When I was trapped, you showed an open door. I had no reason to complain. I didn't have the words to explain.
Of course, we have our perpetual wind tonight, so I don't know how well this is going to work, but I had quite a few questions over the course of these videos on hole placement for pegs in the braces. So I kind of try to center, so it's a 3-inch tenon in there. I kind of try to center it, so I come up, I come in 1.5 inches, or I come over up 1.5 inches, and then 1.5 inches on it. So that pretty well centers it. Usually my braces are right on the edge for like the outside walls, and I wish I'd done them like this on the first floor, centered them in the timbers. I think it would have looked a lot better. But all I'm going to do, I'm just going to get a line up here to show where the edge of my, show where the edge of it is. Now, that's where your framing square comes in handy. You got the 2-inch part and the 1.5 inch part. Well, this brace sits into a 1/2 inch housing, so the edge of the brace, or the face of the brace is right there. So when I set my square down, I'm having trouble talking tonight. So I set my square down. If I put a mark right here where these two meet, that's going to give me 1.5 inches up and 1.5 inches in. Now I squared off the side of the timber, and we go just like that. And also I've had questions on how do I drill my peg holes straight. This is a little jig I made just out of some 5/4 deck boards. And all I do, I set it down, I put my foot on it, and I just line my bit, make sure my bit's going in square. It's not too bad, nice and easy, real simple. So that's her. We're going to drill these peg holes out, put them in, and then we're going to raise this thing. I wanted to get 2 up today, but the day just kind of, like always, a lot of stuff seems to happen on the weekends, and today was no exception. So we're going to keep going and get these pegs in. I've got this squared now, she's ready to go, and I'll see you guys on the other side of it.
When the morning's standing at your door, brighter than all mornings come before. Don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait, my dear. Don't be late. When the day is longer than the night, the road ahead is clear and in the light. Don't be late, my dear. Life won't wait, my dear. Don't be late. Don't be late.
Well, there's one more piece of the puzzle. I had planned on putting 2 of these up today, but it's like any other nice day. It seems there's a million other things to do besides work on this project. I spent most of the day running around getting coal because piss poor planning, I ran myself out and I deserved what I got. But anyway, I also wanted to talk a lot more while we were doing that, but guys, it's just very windy around here. That's why you see so much time lapse. And I did have a microphone set up, but that didn't last very long. And plus the lapel mics, they're quite expensive, and that's just not in the cards. All funds are going to this building project right now and for tooling this thing up. Eventually, as we go on with the channel, I will get better equipment for the videoing, but main priorities is just getting the content out there any way that I possibly can. And most of this gets filmed on either a GoPro, now that drone, and an iPhone. So that's what we have to work with, and we're going to make the best of it. But anyway, another piece of the puzzle up. There's only 3 more of those to stand up. The 2 on the ends are going to be a little bit more of a challenge, but we will get them. We will figure it out. But anyway, it was fun. It was a decently nice day, except for the constant wind around here. So I appreciate you guys tagging along, and welcome to all the new subscribers today. And also a big shout out to Freddy over to Blazing Nailguns. You are the man, Freddy. Thank you very much. He gave our channel a mention here, and I see some of his viewers are popping up in the comments, and that is just awesome. It's very much appreciated. So we try to do that here. You know, he's one of the few larger channels that's really willing to help a guy out, and that speaks volumes about the kind of man he is, and that's awesome. I've got nothing but respect for a guy like that. Absolutely nothing. You know, he's served his country, he's made a good business for himself, and he still takes the time out of his busy day to help a guy like me out. That just speaks volumes about the kind of guy he is. So anyway, like I said before, and I've said it many times, we do have a Facebook group, and it's titled The Tradesman Channel on Facebook. Any of you who have your own channels, you are welcome to join there, and you are welcome to share your videos there. That is, I kind of like that page to be a place where any of you guys with channels, share it up, you know. That's what it's all about, helping each other out, helping each other grow, because we're all out here doing the same thing. We're all trying to put ourselves out there and put our projects out there, and it's not an easy gig. I tell you what, 210 nights out of the last year and 3 months I've spent in front of the computer, probably till 1, 2 in the morning, even on the work nights, putting videos together. And I'm not whining, it's just a lot of work, but I wouldn't change it for nothing. This has been one of the most enjoyable endeavors I've ever undertaken in my life. So anyway, stay tuned, guys. We have a lot more coming up, and we'll get the rest of these on, then it'll be on the frame and the roof. We obviously are going to be cutting some purlin plates. We've got a couple of top plates left to cut. So that'll come, we'll get there. I'm looking to be done with this somewhere in June, maybe mid-June, hoping maybe before then, we'll see. So you guys have a good one. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.